Good morning, Alex. Did you sleep well last night?
Honestly, no. I pressed snooze 4 times this morning.
4 times! Snooze! Do you know this word, everyone? Snooze means you stop the alarm, you sleep 5 more minutes.
Yes, and then 5 minutes becomes 30 minutes. I am a snooze expert.
Well, today we have so much energy anyway because our story is amazing.
It really is. But first, welcome back to Dear English Podcast.
If this is your first time here, hello! We are so happy you found us.
And if you are already part of our community, please click that subscribe button right now.
Yes, subscribe to Dear English Podcast and give this video a like. It helps us so much and it helps you remember to come back for your next lesson.
Okay, Leona, I clicked it myself. Now, let's get into today's topic because I am still thinking about this story.
Today, we are talking about a man named Vozinha. Vozinha! That name is fun to say. Vozinha. Exactly! Vozinha is not his real name. It is his nickname. His real name is Josimar. A nickname. Do you know this word? A nickname is a special name. Friends and family give you this name. It is not on your birth certificate. Perfect example! So Vozinha is a goalkeeper from Cape Verde. Do you know Cape Verde? It is a small island country near Africa. A goalkeeper! Wait, I love soccer. A goalkeeper stands in the goal. He stops the ball. He protects his team. Exactly, Alex. And this year, Vozinha played in his very first World Cup. He is 40 years old. 40 years old? In professional soccer, that is very old. I know! Most players retire long before 40. But Vozinha did not retire. He waited his whole life for this moment. Let me tell you his story, like a short story from a friend. I love this part of the show. Vozinha grew up with his grandparents. His parents were busy. His father worked far away. His mother worked very hard too. So his grandparents raised him. That is sweet. Yes, he did not become a professional player early. He started at 25 years old. That is late for a soccer career.
25? Many players start as teenagers.
Exactly. But Vozinha did not give up. He played for teams in several different countries over many years.
Wow, he traveled the world for soccer.
He did. And then, finally, this year, his small country qualified for the World Cup for the very first time.
First time ever! That is huge for a small nation.
It is huge. And in his first match, Cape Verde played against Spain. Spain is one of the best teams in the world.
Oh no, that sounds like a difficult game for the small team.
Everyone thought Spain would win easily, but Vozinha made save after save. The final score stayed 0-0.
A draw against Spain? That is incredible.
It really is. After the game, reporters wanted to interview him. And this is the best part for us as English teachers.
Tell me.
Vozinha's first language is Portuguese, but he answered many questions in English. And his English was clear, simple, and full of emotion.
Wait, Leona, so he is not a native English speaker, but he spoke with confidence?
Exactly, Alex. He used short sentences. He used simple words. But everyone around the world understood his feelings perfectly.
This is exactly what we always tell our students. You do not need perfect grammar. You need confidence.
Confidence. Let's stop on this word. Confidence means you believe in yourself. You're not afraid to speak, even with small mistakes.
I love that. Vozinha did not wait for perfect English. He just spoke from his heart.
And people loved him for it. His story is a perfect underdog story.
Underdog? What does this mean?
An underdog is a person or a team that nobody expects to win. Nobody expected Cape Verde to stop Spain. Nobody expected a 40-year-old goalkeeper to become famous overnight. But he did. He kept a clean sheet against Spain. Clean sheet. Great vocabulary, Alex. Let's explain this for our students. A clean sheet means the other team scores 0 goals. The goalkeeper protects his goal perfectly. After the game, his story spread everywhere online. His followers grew very, very fast.
It is true. Before the game, not many people followed him on social media. After the game, millions of new followers arrived in one single day.
Millions in one day! I cannot imagine that feeling.
Overwhelmed. Do you know this word? Overwhelmed means you have too many feelings at one time, and it feels like too much.
Overwhelmed. Yes, I think he was overwhelmed. He cried after the match.
He did. He spoke about his grandparents. He spoke about his mother. It was a very emotional interview.
This is what I love about real English. It is not a textbook. It is a real human moment.
Exactly. And that is our lesson today. You do not need to wait for perfect English to share your story.
You just need simple words and a strong heart.
Beautifully said, Alex.
Okay, before we move to our review, I have one more question. Did he ever doubt himself?
Great question. Yes, actually. Before this World Cup, he thought about retiring. He almost stopped playing soccer completely.
Retiring? That means stopping your work completely, usually because you were older.
Exactly, Alex. He almost retired, but he had one dream left. He wanted to play in a World Cup, one single time.
And his dream came true.
It did. So friends, remember this story. Maybe your dream is to speak fluent English. Fluent. Let's save that word for our review because it is so important today. Good idea. Okay, everyone. Let's pause our conversation here for 1 minute. Time for our vocabulary review. Let's review today's words together. Repeat after us if you can. First word, nickname. A special name your friends or family give you. Next, goalkeeper. The player who stands in the goal and stops the ball. Next, underdog. A person or team that nobody expects to win. Next, clean sheet. When a goalkeeper stops every goal in a match. Next, overwhelmed. When you have too many feelings at one time.
Next, confidence. Believing in yourself even when you make mistakes.
And finally, fluent. Speaking a language smoothly and naturally.
Wonderful! 6 new words for your English notebook today.
Write them down, friends. Use one of them in a sentence today. Just one.
That brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you so much for learning with us.
Leona, if this story inspired you, please give this video a like and subscribe to Dear English Podcast for a new lesson every week.
Now here is your question of the day.
We want to know, when did you feel confident speaking English, even with small mistakes?
You can answer using this simple sentence template. I felt confident when I...
Just finish that sentence in the comments below. We read every single comment.
We love hearing your stories, just like Vosiana's story today.
See you in the next episode, friends. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and never give up on your dream. Goodbye for now. Bye, everyone.